welcome back to our class. So today let's continue learning our final consonant sound. Okay, so today is Friday, 19th of June 2020. Okay, so what are we going to do now is that I'm going to show you a picture and then I'm going to say the name of the picture and you listen what is the final sound that you can hear. Okay, the ending sound, the last sound that I'm going to say. So you need to listen carefully in order to know what is the final consonant you can hear. Okay, so understand? Okay, so are you ready? Great, so let's start. So first here, I'm going to show you the picture book. This is a book. Book. What is the final consonant you can hear? What is the ending sound? Book. Book. Its letter K. K. Book. Book. The book has the final consonant K. Very good. Okay, so next we have leaf. Leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. What is the final consonant you can hear? What is the sound that you can hear last? Leaf. Its letter F. Great job. Okay, next we have drum. Drum. This is a drum. Drum. What is the sound that you can hear at the end? Drum. Its letter M. Very good. M sound. Drum. Okay, next we have box. Box. What is the final consonant sound of the box? Box. Its letter X. Great job. Very good. Next we have bird. 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 What is the consonant that you can hear at the end? Its letter D. Very good. The bird ends with letter D. Great job. Okay, next we have log. We call it log. Log. What is the final sound that you can hear? Log. Log. Letter G. Great job. The G sounds G. Log. Very good. Okay, next picture we have ball. 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 What is the final consonant sound of the word ball? Its letter L. Very good. Letter L sounds O. Okay, next we have harp. Harp. This is a harp. Harp. Now, what is the last sound that you can hear? Harp. Harp. What letter that has a sound? Its letter P. Very good. Great job. Okay, another. We have here crab. Crab. Okay, what final consonant you can hear? Crab. Its letter B. Very good. The B sounds B. Last picture we have bread. Bread. What can you hear at the end? Bread. Letter D. Very good. Bread. Okay, this one. Last we have mug. Mug. What is the final consonant you can hear? Mug. Its letter G. Very good. Great job. So now let's go to your worksheets. Okay, so what are you going to do is that, okay, so in this worksheet, okay, so we have here the letter B. Can you see the letter B? The letter B sounds B, B, B. Okay, so now, which picture has the final consonant sound B? Okay, so is it the crab, hammer, or pail? Which picture? You're going to circle and you're going to color. Also, you're going to trace the letter B. Write the letter and also write the letter B. Okay, next we have here letter D. What is the sound of the letter D? The letter D sounds D, D, D. Okay, so now which picture has the final consonant or the final sound D? Has the final sound D? Is it the robot? Is it the cat? Or the bread? Okay, choose, circle. Okay, next we have letter F. The letter F sounds. Okay, so which picture has the final consonant F? Is it the tent, the leaf, or the dog? Okay, next we have the letter G. The letter G sounds G, G, G. Okay, which picture has the final consonant G? Is it the mug, bird, or the key? Okay, circle. So what are you going to do? You write the letter, you trace, and then write. And then you're going to circle the picture that has the final consonant of each. Okay, next we have color the picture. Okay, you can see here we have book, leaf, drum, box, bird, log, ball, and heart. Okay, so color this picture. And then you're going to cut the letters below and paste it beside the picture that has the final consonant of each letter. Okay, so for example, we have here the book. Book ends with letter K. So you're going to cut the letter K and put it beside the book. Okay? Okay, so great job. So that's all for today. Hope that you've learned something, and then hope that you've memorized all the sounds of the alphabet in order to recognize which letter that has the final consonant sound of each picture or word. Okay, so bye!